Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the battery percentage on Razer Viper V2 Pro. And to do this, first thing, when your battery is below 5%, the LED lamp right here should start blinking in 2 times interval. And if you want to check the actual percentage of the battery, you will need to plug it into your PC using the cable. Then there's this LED lamp right here again, and you can see the percentage. When it's red, it means it's almost out. When it's orange, it has around 20 to 30%. When it's yellow, it has around 40 to 50 and 70 maybe. And when it's green, it's fully charged. So you can see on the instructions right here is a battery percentage level with different lights. It's hard to decide which percent is for what amount. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.